4 goes to Barara via Gordon. First stop Linfield, then Gordon, Hornsby, and then all stations to Barara.
Smoking, including e-cigarettes, is not allowed at this station. Fines apply. Thank you. Riding bicycles, scooters or skates on the concourse or platforms is not permitted.
Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I'm at Chatswood for Chatswood at dusk. I'm going to film a few trains until it gets dark. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, unfortunately I had to keep this video a bit short as there is way too many people at Chatswood at the moment, and too much artificial light taking over. So I'm going to keep this one short, so I'm going to wrap up the video. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. I would love to get more footage of trains here at Chatswood, but unfortunately I was getting a little bit uncomfortable with far too many people. So on that note viewers, thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you next time. Until then, it's goodbye for now.